Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a lovely day. Today I got to come out and I have to say, when I'm wrong, and I'll admit it. Brendan Carr and the FCC and the Trump administration, I thank you very much for coming out in favor of right to repair. I got to credit where credit is due. So this here is a mouse pad that I had made over 10 years ago, Mr. Clinton the cat's face on it. It says schematics or die. Now, the or die part is obviously hyperbole. I don't actually mean or die. It's just a play on the fact that Mr. Clinton the cat always looks angry. If he's angry, he looks like this. If he's happy, he looks like this. He doesn't mean to look mean. He was just born that way, as Ralph Cramden would say about Alice's mother. It also has a picture of a schematic down below. Right to repair is the idea that if you bought something, you own it, and you should be able to get access to what it is you need to be able to fix it. And the manufacturer should not do this gatekeeping BS where the only people who are able to get access to the technical diagrams and manuals to be able to fix what they bought and paid for are their authorized repair centers that often don't actually fix anything, but just replace half of the device and charge you for it. Now, this man over here, this alpha male, this alpha dog, as Eli the computer guy would call it, don't take shit from nobody, and I'm going to prove it today. I was very, very critical of him when I did this video of this binary regulation going away that does not allow landlords to accept bribes from internet service providers to force their tenants to pay for shitty internet. So if you pay $2,000 a month for an apartment, your landlord at this point in time can say you need to pay $80 a month for the shitty internet that comes with the building, and that landlord who's saying that may have actually gotten a bribe from the ISP to do that. I think that's pretty shady, that's pretty scummy, that's pretty anti-competition, because other ISPs are going to say it's not worth wiring that building if people have to pay for the shitty internet that comes with it already. They may not have extra money for us. It makes it less worthwhile. I was very critical of Brendan Carr and the FCC in that video. But the thing is, you can't be critical without also acknowledging some of the good that they do as well. And Brendan Carr, being the alpha dog that he is, pushed schematics or die on Tim Cook until he actually accomplished it. Take a look at this. This is a website that logs all the different filings that come out of the FCC. And I am going to show you it down. I'll link it down below. This is for an iPhone. These documents came out February 19, 2025, less than 1 month after Trump got into office with Brendan Carr. And if you search over here and take a look at what this alpha male managed to accomplish, he got schematics out of Tim Cook. If you click on this link, you go download PDF, and you can read it right there on the bottom of the page. Apple Inc. Notice of proprietary property. The information contained herein is the proprietary property of Apple Inc. The possessor agrees to the following: to maintain this document in confidence, not to reproduce a copy of, not to reveal or publish it in whole or in part, all rights reserved. You got the entire schematic. None of this is censored in any way. It shows you how everything works. You probably got baseband in here. You got power ICs. You got everything. Look at this. Yeah, it's beautiful. Power NTCs, bottom, hall sensor, flex, video camera, just how the entire thing works. I bet you got board views here as well, block diagrams. Some people show up to the legislature, like me, and go,
"Excuse me, sir. I'm Louis Rossman. Can I please have some right to repair?"
And they go, "No." But Brendan Carr, unlike a simpy, weak beta male like me, he's an alpha. He walked up to Tim Cook and said, "We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. Right to repair!" And he got the schematics, the block diagram, and put it right up there on the FCC's website for all to see. Now, I know that this was intentional. There's no way in hell that this is a mistake or an error. This couldn't be incompetence. That would never happen from this administration. So I'm going to assume that this is intentional, and the Trump administration and the FCC supports right to repair. Thank you for accomplishing what I was not able to for 15 years. Much appreciated. And I hope to see more, because I don't want to have to go to some random Romanian FTP site to get this stuff. I don't want to have to go to VinaFix or these weird, shady websites where I don't know if the money that I'm PayPaling is ever going to get me a schematic in return. I want to be able to go straight to my own government's website and be able to get access to the schematics I need for right to repair. Thank you, Brendan Carr, and thank you to the FCC. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something. Louis can't keep a straight face when doing videos like this. Not even for 4 minutes and 39 seconds. But I try. See you in the next one.